Employee retention credit update. Welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another update. The IRS is offering an option for taxpayers who file a claim requesting a refund for the ERC credit and would now like to withdraw the claim to avoid getting a refund that you are not eligible for. The IRS is committed to protecting taxpayers that mistakenly claim the ERC credit, as well as protecting those who are eligible for the credit. As a reminder, anyone who incorrectly claims the ERC credit has to pay it back and may owe penalties and interest as well. Now, who can request to withdraw the ERC claim? If all of these apply, you can request that withdrawal. If you made the claim on an adjusted employment tax return, forms 941-X, 943-X, 944-X, or CT-1X. Also, if you file the adjusted return only to claim the ERC credit and you made no other adjustments, or if you want to withdraw the entire amount of your ERC claim, or the IRS has not paid your claim, or the IRS paid the ERC claim, but you haven't cashed or deposited the refund check. If all of these apply, you can request that withdrawal. Employers that cannot use this process may still be able to file another adjusted return if they need to reduce the amount of the ERC credit claim or make other changes to their adjusted returns. Now, how to request to withdraw the ERC claim. Employers that fill the ERC claim through a professional payroll company and want to request a claim withdrawal will need to contact the entity that filed the claim on their behalf. Now, if the employer filled an adjusted return and would like to withdraw the entire claim, you can use the process below. If you file adjusted returns for more than one tax period, you must follow the steps below for each tax period for which you are requesting a withdrawal. These are the following steps. Number 1, make a copy of the adjusted return with the claim you wish to withdraw. Number 2, in the left margin of the first page, write withdrawn. Number 3, in the right margin of the first page, have an authorized person sign and date it. Write their name and title next to their signature. Number 4, fax the signed copy of the return to the IRS ERC claim withdrawal fax line number, which is 855-738-7609, using a computer or mobile device. This is the withdrawal request. Make sure to keep a copy for your tax records. If a taxpayer cannot fax their request, they can mail the signed copy to the address in the instructions for the adjusted return that applies to their business or organization. Before doing so, you should make a copy of the signed and dated first page to keep with your tax records. It will take longer for the IRS to receive a mail request, so make sure to track your package for delivery. Now, employers facing an IRS audit, also referred to as an exam, can still withdraw their ERC claim if a taxpayer has been notified that the IRS is currently auditing or they adjusted the return that includes the ERC claim. You should prepare the withdrawal request using the steps in Section A. but you should not fax it to the withdrawal fax line or mail it using the address below. Instead, if you have been assigned an examiner, you should communicate with the examiner about how to fax or mail their withdrawal request to them directly. If you have not been assigned an examiner, you should respond to the audit notice with the withdrawal request using the instructions in the notice. Employers who receive a refund check but haven't cashed or deposited, you will need to mail the voided check with the withdrawal request using these particular steps. Prepare the claim withdrawal request using the steps in Section A, but do not fax the request. Write void in the endorsement section on the back of the refund check. Include a note that says ERC withdrawal and briefly explain the reason for returning the refund check. Next, make copies for your tax records of the front and back of the voided check. Do not staple, bend, or paper clip the voided check. Include with it your claim withdrawal request and mail it to the IRS Cincinnati Refund Inquiry Unit at the address listed here. Now, what to expect after submitting a withdrawal request? Taxpayers will get a letter from the IRS about whether their withdrawal request was accepted or rejected. The approved request is not effective until the taxpayer has the acceptance letter from the IRS. If the IRS accepts the withdrawal, you may need to amend your original income tax return. If a taxpayer needs additional help, you must consult a trusted tax professional. Finally, for more information and the instructions to claim the withdrawal for the ERC, you can go to your browser and put in the search irs.gov/withdraw my ERC. All right. And make sure to share with us in the comments if you did claim that credit, if you're planning to submit that withdrawal, if you feel that you were scammed into claiming that credit. Make sure to share with us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more breaking IRS news, updates, and alerts.